Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a new upgrade for the Crown Vic. This is a much needed upgrade for the Crown Vic. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look in the box. I already opened it up. Make sure it's correct package. Alrighty, let's see what we have in this thing. Alright, so you see we got the left and the right, 4 pieces. So you pretty much guess, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know what it is. But here we go. Break it before we get it out. Alright, so some new lights, but not just any lights. Let's start with this one first. There we go. New headlights. You can see we got the black background on the inside with the clear lens on the outside. That's gonna look very good, especially compared to the ones that's in there. And I also have the side markers right here. They also have the black background, same yellow piece on the inside, but just mainly black on the background. Now, as most of you know, I do have the Marauder side marker, but I'm kind of having trouble with it fitting properly, and it requires a few adjustments that I don't really want to make. So I'm just gonna go ahead, put these in there, take that one back out. Plus also got a little overspray on it from the paint shop. So make sure everything match, look good. Just gonna go ahead and snatch all that off, put these on. Now, I know most of you, or some of you, might not want to see the installation part, but what I'm gonna do, and it's also about to rain, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and show some of the installation on this video. If you want to see the full installation, I have that on another video. So that's what we're gonna do. But I am gonna show some of the installation on this video and the end results. So just stay watching. So for starters, we gotta pop the hood. Let's get this show on the road. Also, never mind the engine bay at the moment. It is kind of dusty from the paint shop, so I definitely have to clean that again. You see, watch this. See, all that comes from the paint shop. But for starters on this installation, man, we got to get up under this piece to get to the lights. So I don't know. Yeah, I'll say. So I already have this removed one time before. But if you haven't had yours removed, it's got it right there, right there, right there. All right. Pop that out of the way. Sit it out the way so you don't break it. I don't know if that's a good idea because I might forget it, close the hood, and boom, that's broke. But I'll try to remember that. Also, look at that. Only last piece of police equipment left on the car. There you go. Might plug it up just to see if it works. It might not work though, because you might need other parts with it. But let's get back to the video. All right, so we got lights and lights. All right. All right, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts on the new lights. Other than that, I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm out.